beginners especially get stuck with softwares. Like
Hmm.
I'm doing this, I only know animation in this software, and I only know animation or modeling in this software. This
Right.
not it should be.
Yeah, I think like for animators specifically, it's important to know the animation principles.
Mhm.
And when you know the animation principles, you should be able to use that for all different kind of softwares. So um, I think luckily in animation, there's not too much software knowledge you need to know. So I can, for example, jump between Blender and Maya, and it should be very seamless. And then for modeling, for example, if you understand shape, form, and great design, you should be able to model in all different softwares. But again, you can have your favorite. That's okay.
Yes, yes.